When you talk about the Parañaque Patriots right now, it's chemistry, Javi. Again, I think through the years, this is the one thing na talagang they're trying to look for. Who will be the head of this Parañaque Patriots? And I think right now, okay.
Both teams still scoreless here in the early goings of the game. Philip Manalang coming on over from Nueva Ecija. Paulo Castro has been with this Parañaque squad for quite a player from this very school, the Olivares College Sea Lions. That's a score for Muntinlupa. Josh Giab, someone you're very familiar with.
A guy that will, alam mo yun, yung will just do kung ano yung mga kaya niya.
That's a score inside of the drive by Philip Manalang in the league. That's the living legend of the MPBL. He gives it up though. Cuevas bumps into the defense of Jello Razon and able to score on the break is Jasper Cuevas. Too strong. No numbers here for Parañaque. Castro will still take it all the way for two.
Again, Paulo Castro. No,
12 seconds on the shot clock here for Parañaque. They swing it to the left. Manalang to redeem himself. Why not? Philip Manalang may not be known for his outside shooting, but you give him... Oh, ayaw mo naman pahiyain yung mga tao na pumunta here all the way despite the sweltering heat outside. Makoy Marcos though connects on the outside there for Muntinlupa. Cara, it's the complete opposite. JP Sarao making a move inside, gets the 2 points. It's still asking for a foul.
Oo. Alam mo, kung pag nakatanggap talaga si JP that low, medyo mahirap ng pigil, medyo mahirap ng itulak eh.
Marcos goes inside. That's 2 points for the CSB Blazer. I definitely will be watching some of your games.
Yeah, especially right now. That's the evolution of basketball. Everything's based on concept. So, you take what's given. You take what's...
In his career, connecting from the outside.
Oo. At importante yun.
Especially that he's playing the guard spot. 0 out of 5 overall from the field. His only points coming from the free throw line. 0 out of 4 from the outside. As you see him get the putback right there, that's 2 points more para kay Jetro Sombero. We're all tied. They are looking to win this season. Sombero beats Martel to the cup.
Yeah, and gave Muntinlupa the lead.
That's a quick 6 points in the game para kay Jetro Sombero. So, score at the end of the first quarter is 18-17. Our end of the first quarter score brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The assistant coach, someone by the name of Louis Gonzalez at JRU.
Kaya we know it's gonna be a quality one. So, alam mo yung battle of minds right now, what's happening. Because they, pareho alam kung paano.
Marcos completes the three-point play. The evolution of the game. That's what the beauty of everybody being friends, that makakuha ka ng bagong knowledge when you play for other squads.
Develop their offense there.
I actually have not seen a lot of triangle offense for Parañaque so far in this game, but that is a great play by the Patriots, finding John Aduba inside for the score.
Saying, Javi, we just started, pero grabe na yung aralan ng mga teams natin.
The reverse is no good. Pido ahead to Jello Razon. That's a tough make, but he still is able to get the 2 points plus the foul.
With Marky, makikita mo yun na sobrang enjoy si Jello eh.
That puts a lot of responsibility all for him.
Oo, and ang maganda dito kasi na-release na yung pressure kay Jello na, because before parang talagang ginagawa siyang one of the leaders ni Coach Mike Sagigit eh.
He misses, but Marky is there. Offensive rebound. The putback is good on the push shot for the living legend of the MPBL, Marky. Chance of defense here inside Olivares College. James Batak able to get 2 points on that hook shot.
Muntinlupa.
Razon, couple of dribbles, pulls up from the elbow. That's pure for Jello Razon.
Oo, and you don't want to get him going.
Career. 30-28 is the score. Parañaque gets it across. Yi on the reverse. That's good. Now it's Philip Manalang with the basketball. A three-pointer. That is good.
And you know it's coming. You know, after the last possession.
Ang inyong home court, di ka magaganahan na maglaro.
Oo.
And there you go, Philip Manalang riding the adrenaline brought about by the crowd inside another bucket. Oh, for the regular folk. Pero nakikita natin, ang dami na rin matangkad na Pinoy ngayon eh. McCoy Marcos able to drain it from the outside.
Oo, I think best game so
Our
far.
halftime score brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending. And Parañaque. James Batak goes inside, gets a step on the defense, it scores with a layup.
Oo. Ikaw yung nanganunulak.
And he was able to get himself into the arm of Jasper Longalong. Paulo Castro getting a shot from the outside right. Philip Manalang's speed.
Oo. And what's impressive with Philip is he does it with the ball. Kasi iba yung, sa akin kasi iba yung...
Marcos pulls back, goes inside. Josh Giab, fake, and the basket, and one para kay Josh Giab. Shot clock winding down. Who's going to take this for Muntinlupa? Longalong will. Longalong on the finger roll. Basket plus the foul.
Again,
No one is outshining the other, but instead everyone is helping each other to shine as a team. Back to you guys.
All right, on cue, Villanueva scores off Asidre. Falling away, gets the bounce on the jumper.
and you know, I always say this, kahit sang team.
Gonzalez has to take it. Shot a little bit too strong. Josh Giab gets easy pickings down low. Uduba.
Great
Stretch,
one.
rip, and score.
Okay, good.
And Giab. Back to Nico. Gonzalez, the Pinoy step, he will score.
These are the things that you wanted.
Is 49-47, and a third quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first, Marcos drives past Razon. Marcos could not get the finger roll to go. Marge De Leon, three-point play opportunity.
Again, it's their patience still. Game management nila, yung every time malaking bagay talaga yun eh. So, hindi natin sila nararamdaman. At
Castro, the bounce pass to Marquis. He will take it and
That's big.
make it.
that's big.
Marquis may...
Pinag-usapan yung kay Ryan Suwal kanina.
At Muntinlupa, it's a basket right there, courtesy of James Batak. Parañaque, but Razon comes up with a steal. Castro with it, rises, gets the 2 points.
Again, those...
Leave. Manalang free for three, rattles it home. Philip Manalang delivering the goods. Crowd rocking it here inside the venue as Josh Giab silences them with that elbow jumper. Philip Manalang will waste some of the clock. Villanueva,
this
though,
will be big.
that's a quick trigger, and
Oh.
that's good for John Ray Villanueva. What
Yeah.
a shot!
Yeah, favorite spot.
Rotation so far here. Para kay Coach Mike Sagigit, we now enter the final 2 minutes brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas season. While Parañaque, nasabi na nga natin kanina, fourth straight victory tonight at the hands of Coach Mixon Ramos and company after winning against Manila, South Cotabato, and Iloilo.
Oo, actually, they were there. They had a good show.
Yeah, Bulacan and Sarangani, Valenzuela and Batan, Parañaque and Muntinlupa, all of them really putting on a good fight. Our best player of the game, brought to you by Buenas. There was so many choices, but in the end, we had to go with Marquis.
Oo. Again, proving to be steady, okay, especially after that shot. That's sa akin, ito yung seal ng ito yung pag-seal ng game eh. Ayang nail jumper ni Marky.
Mark now score 64-57. Brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas.